at? Where has all the time gone?
I tell you, I just do not know. You remember that bit when we was young? It's just wee little things.
Yeah, we had to hide in your Paul cellar.
I remember Pa was so proud of us, taking care of ourselves.
He was that.
Yeah.
I mean, remember when he rounded all the little kids together in the cellar and we told stories? Those were good old days.
Oh, yeah.
Where's Spring Chicken's day, Mom?
You know, I remember, we was children, probably not more than 15.
Oh, yeah, I remember the other day.
We had that three-legged race. You remember that?
Oh, makes me so happy and joyful thinking. I'm always happy and joyful. I just laugh and smile about the good old days.
And I remember when you fell, your skirt came up and your petticoats were showing. Remember how embarrassed you were?
I was.
And we laughed. Your face, you ran and hugged your mama.
Where's Spring Chicken's day, Mom? You remember? When we baked the pecan pies for Granny's birthday. My granny. Not your granny. It wasn't your granny because you never did nice things like that for your granny.
I did. So
I was the one who was happy and laughed all the
Lou,
time.
I did things for my
Daddy!
granny.
That was a long time ago. You wouldn't remember.
I remember my brain is as good as it ever was. Just like I remember I made this here cup.
Yeah. We ain't spring chickens no more.
I remember. You remember when Frank drunk so much?
Oh no, when Bobby ran along with him, they drunk, they were out.
Oh, they slept for hours.
I know. I thought that they was gonna. I didn't know it was gonna happen. They just kept a drinking
And a drinking.
I tell you.
Of course, Frank can't drink sarsaparilla like that no more. I bet
No.
Bobby can't either.
No, Bobby can't drink sarsaparilla like he
It was
used to.
hard back then. They was young. It was probably in the early 30s.
I mean, they ain't no more. I mean, it's all they can do is go out and slap dogs in the morning. Remember when Frank and Bobby built that bitch for me to put under my apple tree?
Oh, I remember. That was sweet.
Bobby, he said that Frank helped him just a little, you know.
It was Frank's idea. He told Bobby to make you something nice.
Frank wanted to have the idea to help me out.
Frank did. He told Bobby, Bobby boy, you need to make a bench for your wife. And he did.
He didn't know.
And Bobby had.
Bobby was always thoughtful like that. On the old days, Bobby was thoughtful.
Bobby ain't thoughtful no more.
Bobby's still thoughtful. But that was back then.
He was back then when we was youngins.
Ain't spring chickens no more. Do you remember when I had my first youngin? That was before you know.
That was.
Oh!
I love your petticoat. Someone could have seen it.
I don't think anybody was around. This is a quiet in the store now. Fact is, I don't think anybody comes in no more. We ain't spring chickens no more. That reminds me, talking to youngins, I just laugh at this story. It was weird. Timmy's. Oh man, he sucked his thumb till it hurt when he was a baby, remember? I remember!
Thank you, Lou.
Oh man, remember we used to be so young. We ain't spring chickens no more. You remember? My wedding day.
Lou, you know I cried.
I remember when he proposed. The whole town was there.
Of course I knew he was.
Oh, you knew he was going to.
Yeah.
Oh, I knew Frank was going to too when he proposed.
Did you? Oh, Frank's proposal was so sweet.
I know. Do you remember when you cried when you burnt your bush peanut biscuits? You don't know bush peanut biscuits. It was all burnt.
It was
hot.
so
You couldn't even
sad.
have
They
it,
was
so
black
you
all
couldn't
the
even
way
hide it.
through.
I mean, a hammer could not have even broken.
And Frank sat down and tried to eat him anyway.
Because he was a good husband.
He
is a good husband.
He is.
Oh.
He is a good man. There ain't no one in the world like him. No one. He's the best. I got the best, Lou.
Bobby is the best.
He's like a brother to me. Has been since we was youngin'. But he ain't quite compared up to Frank. Especially since Frank is more spry than he is in their later years.
There is no one who is as bright as Bobby.
We ain't sprayed chickens no more.
You remember when I made that coffee cup?
I remember when it was made, but it wasn't you who made it.
What do you mean, Betty?
I mean, I made it, Lou.
No one could have made that piece of cup like I did.
Well, it's nice of you to take the glory of my fine workmanship, but I made the cup.
You did not make the cup. Back 40 years ago, when that cup was made, it wasn't me who made it.
It was me as clear as day in Frank's barn.
That was a long time ago. It was a long time ago.
Long time ago.
I can't believe the time has just flew by.
We were so young back then.
Yeah.
I mean, when 50 seemed old.
Yeah.
We ain't sprayed chickens no more.
Make sure that all of you youngins out there that you subscribe because I'm gonna be so pretty for doing this. Oh, you have to subscribe to Mary.
Yeah, I call her Lou. I get
Share all the new thing, all the new fangled things that you've got out there. Share it. I'd just be so honored if you did.
When I spray chickens no more.